In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shorten a link using Bitly link. So first, I'm going on Google. Then I copy this long this link. Then going to mm, this link tree accounts. First, you need to log in with your Gmail. That's it. Now you need to click on create link. Then just paste your link. Then title. If you want to type maybe another title like 10 USD. So I type this only for educational purpose and fun purpose. 10 USD. Generate a QR code, so I don't need. Just click on create your link. That's it. So my link are ready. This one just copy. Then if I click on view link, so I don't need, then just copy to this another web browser, then paste this link. Then if I click on enter, you can see I'm going on this website, targeted website there. That's mean my link are working. So thank you for watching.